In today's video, I'm going to teach you advanced Miro tips for power users. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If you're managing complex projects or large workshops, these techniques will help you move faster, keep boards organized, and maintain control when it matters most. We'll start with keyboard shortcuts that change based on what you're doing, then move into synced project views, board navigation, structured cards with integrations, and reliable facilitation tools. When you're building a mind map, think of Enter and Tab as your speed boosters. While editing a node, press Enter to create a sibling at the same level, and use Tab to create a child as a new sub-branch. This keeps ideation flowing without breaking your rhythm. For instant structure control, select any objects and press Command plus Shift plus L on Mac, or Control plus Shift plus L on Windows, to lock or unlock them. It's perfect for preventing accidental moves. And when you need a fast duplicate, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and drag to clone while positioning the copy in one motion. For managing projects, use synced data views to create once and present many ways. Start with a clean table view and enter your fields there. With the view switcher, show that same data as a Kanban board or a timeline, Gantt chart. Any update you make in one view reflects instantly in the others, which eliminates duplicate entry and keeps stakeholders aligned, whether they think in tasks, columns, or schedules. Make sure everyone lands in the right place by setting a start view. Choose your agenda or welcome frame. Open the Frames panel, right-click its title, and select Set as Start View. Now every visit begins where you want the story to start. Use cards when you need structure beyond sticky notes. Convert notes into cards to add owners, dates, tags, and progress fields. Then connect cards to tools like Jira, Asana, or Azure DevOps, so visual planning in Miro becomes executable work in your delivery system without copy-pasting or losing context. On large boards, the minimap is your shortcut to clarity. Tap M or use the minimap in the bottom right to jump across the canvas. Drag the viewport box to travel quickly and keep orientation across distant areas. For facilitation, protected locking gives you authority over key assets. Apply protected lock to templates and instructions so only the board owner can unlock them. Pair this with the built-in timer and voting apps from the bottom toolbar to timebox activities and gather anonymous input, keeping sessions focused and fair. Practice these in your next session, and you'll feel the speed and control immediately. Keep iterating your workflow, and let Miro do the heavy lifting. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.